Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share a tutorial how to do a grouping several objects into a Canva. So here, first thing we have to do is just open the Canva, have the project, and do everything regarding into the edits. Just up to you, it's just according to your concept. And here already have mine here. So if you can see, if I click this object, I will only have or able to move one object. But how if I want to this position, I want to this object with this type writing have the same position while I moved this spot into another side of this canvas. So first thing we have to do is just make this two object into one object. So how to do that? Just need to click one of them, and after that please take a look on these three small dots, and after that just click it. Now take a look on this bottom line here. You will have an access several features and tools, and you can just click a select multiple. Just need it, and then after that you just need to click another object that you want to assemble with. And after you have all projects in one like shape or one ring, let's say a one margin, you just need to go into the left side, slide into the left side until you find a group, then you just need to click it, and now those both objects will be one unit. When you move, they both will move together with the same positions. And that's all the way how you do a grouping on a Canva application. So if you find out this guidance it's really useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.